Good morning, middle one. Hope you are okay. Okay, let's start our lesson, which is cases of supplementary angle. Okay, we have two cases. The first one said two adjacent supplementary angle. What did it say, the first case? Two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray with a starting point on this straight line are supplementary. What is the meaning of this? We said before, supplementary angle means two adjacent angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So in order to form a supplementary angle, he said two adjacent angles. So this means we have, as we said before, adjacent means two angles جيران جنب بعض. ايه اللي بيفرق ما بين التو angles دول؟ We said عندي common vertex and a common side. Did you see the common vertex and the common side? Okay, so this means these two angles are adjacent. So we have two adjacent angles formed. If we have a two adjacent angle formed, اتكونوا by a straight line. Did you see the straight line? If we go and make the red one, this is my straight line formed by a straight line and a ray, and the starting point of this ray on the straight line. This means these two angles are supplementary. What is the meaning of supplementary? It means the sum of these two angles equal 180. Again, let's see the case again. The case is very important and it came in a complete. Two adjacent angle formed. So whenever we have two adjacent angle formed, اتكونوا by a straight line and a ray, and the starting point of this ray on the straight line, this means these two angles are supplementary. So here measure angle CAB plus measure angle DAC equal 120 plus 60, which means 180. Okay, let's take another example. If we have here, this one is a supplementary. How do you know? Because we have a straight line and we have a ray. Our case said whenever we have two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray, and the starting point of this ray on the straight line, this means these two angles, this one and this one, are supplementary. This means the sum of both of them equal 180. Okay, next one, another drawing. If we have this one, okay, we have angle LOM. Angle LOM. Here we have 90 and 90. Both of them are supplementary. Why? Because here we have two adjacent angles عندهم common side and common vertex, and therefore اتكونوا من two adjacent angle دول من straight line and a ray. Okay? So this is the first case. Whenever we have two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray, and the starting point of this ray on the straight line, this means they are supplementary. So this case is very important. You have to know how to complete it. Okay, let's take the second case. What did we say about the second case? The outer sides of two adjacent angles. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, this is the opposite of the first case. I told you that the two adjacent angles are supplementary. So we have two adjacent angles. What's the meaning of adjacent? They have a common vertex. Let's take our common vertex, which is M. And our common side here is MB. So have a common vertex and common side. This means we have two adjacent angles. And I told you here that these two adjacent angles are supplementary. I give you from the beginning. Then he is asking you, how about the outer sides? Where are my outer sides? This is the common side, we said. This is the common side type. Where are the outer sides? Outer side, it means the two sides that the common side lies between both of them. So this is my outer side and this is my second outer side, okay? Which is called MA and MC ray. How about the outer sides here? The outer sides are, it's a must. If we have two adjacent supplementary angles, it's a must that their outer sides must be on the same straight line. So the second case said if we have two adjacent angles supplementary, then the outer sides are on the same straight line. So here we have measure angle A and B equal 40. Measure angle C and B equal 140. The sum of both of them is 120. Then measure angle A and C is a straight angle or a supplementary angle. Then MA and MC are on the same straight line. So let's revise again. So the first case said, what did we say about the first case? The first case said two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray. and the starting point of the ray on the straight line, this means it's both of them are supplementary angle. العكس، تعالي ناخد العكس second case. If we have two adjacent angles and I told you they are supplementary angle, then their outer sides اللي هو common side lies between both of them are both of them دول are on the same straight line.